What's up, everyone? This is your boy BG from Rakesh Memories, and you welcome to my YouTube channel.
What's up, everyone? This is your boy BG from Rakesh Memories, and today's tutorials I'm going to show you how to make sure your mouse cursor is showing properly. For people to know whatever you are clicking on your computer, or whether you're making tutorials for people or whoever you are creating content with your computer, and you want people to know what exactly you are clicking on the computer, on the desktop or whatever, on the display. This tutorial is for you, so stick and stay with me because I'll walk you through the process. So the first thing you're going to do is you click on the Chrome and then you type pen attention. You click on that. See this thing here, pen attention. Highlight your pen or mouse cursor. You click on that. So I'll open a new tab and then you move to download. So you see download, and then you come straight to pen attention v11.exe. You click on that and then you download it. So when you're done, you open this folder. So you see pen attention v11 setup. You click on that and then install it. Go to next, finish. So when you're done, you close this thing, you look for the app itself. So this is the app. I'm not sure, but let me type pen attention. Good. So this is the app. You click on that. The moment you click on that, you see it's showing now, but then you can make some few settings. You can just go to the highlight settings, and then the color you want, you can just choose the color you want. If you want red, you can choose red. If you want to reduce the opacity of the thing, you can just reduce it a little bit. I'll keep it 100. I'll keep it around 50. 50 is fine, or 52, whatever. I'll keep it around that side, and then I'll choose my color. Maybe I'll go for orange, then apply changes. That's it. So you see it's showing now. So whatever I'm clicking, you will get to know the exact thing I'm clicking on my display. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.